Hi, welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and your creativity begins. Today, I am here with my daughter. Say hello.
Hi.
And we are going to be attempting to draw a lion for you side by side. So let's get started. So first, we're going to start off with the head. And it's gonna be kind of a rounded square shape. Okay, like a rectangle. Like that, like a rounded rectangle, rounded square. The edges are really round. It's a little bit smaller at the top than it is at the bottom. Okay, next is the ears, and they're gonna be little kind of ovals on the corners up here. If they're not totally symmetrical, that's okay, because nobody's ears are totally symmetrical. And then inside, we're gonna have little circles. Alright, so next I do believe is going to be the mane, because it's a boy lion, so he's gonna have a big floofy mane. So it's gonna be kind of like M shapes all the way around. And it's okay if your M shapes aren't totally even. It's kind of like if you're making like a fluffy cloud. So some of mine are big, some of mine are small. They're not all uniform, and that's okay. Remember, try to draw light until you know it's right, so that you can erase without ghosts. Because right here you can see that I have a ghost because I'm drawing dark. I'm drawing way darker than I normally do because I want to make sure that our friends in the classroom can see what we're doing. Okay. All right, so now we have our heads with our manes. And now the next part is we're gonna go into the body. It's gonna be kind of like the bottom of a letter A. So if your letter A was like this, okay, letter A, and it went up into the face, letter A, and then you were to make that letter A thick on the bottom, and then come up ever so slightly, then that would be like the chest right here. So that would be like our legs and whatnot, okay? So here's our body. I'm gonna thicken it up just a smidgen at the top from our A. So it's like the bottom of a letter A. For his front legs. And then his back legs are gonna be back here. and just a touch shorter than their friends. I'm gonna lower the chest just a touch more. There we go. Okay, move your handy so our friends can see yours. Okay, so then the tail will come out from the back part. And it's gonna have some thickness to it. And then it will turn into like a little tuft of fur at the end. Wow, I don't like how my tail came out, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, tail. Okay, so now I'm gonna round off my corners on my feet to make my feet a little bit fluffier. And then we're gonna come in and do 2 toes per foot. Except this one on the one side, because one foot is out more than the other foot because our line's kind of at an angle. So then I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna fix the leftovers from my A because they were just there to kind of help us place our body. So our face is gonna have a blaze down the front where the nose is gonna be. So it's gonna be skinny at the top and it's gonna get wide as it comes down. And it'll have a curve for the top of the nose. And then it makes kind of like an eyeball shape right there for the nose. Then his cheeks come out from there. Cheeks, nose, blaze. And then you can divide his face like that. So we've got the cheeks, the bottom of the mouth, and then the top of the nose right here, and then this blaze that makes our lion look very regal. Okay, and then eyes. So we're gonna try to make him a little bit cutesy, and we're gonna put our eyes down here. Okay, so he's gonna be cute. It's cute. I cute baby lion. I cute. Except if it was a baby lion, it wouldn't have a mane, because they don't get their manes till they become big lions. But it's whatever. We're not scientifically accurate right now. We're just trying to make a cute lion. A cute lion, everyone. It's cute. We're gonna make a cute lion. Oh, you're gonna do the double dot eyes? So we're gonna do my daughter decided that we're gonna do the double dot kawaii. Kawaii eyes. And then, should we put 3 dots for the Whiskers? Like this. 1, 2, 3. Should we give him a tongue? Like this. give him nostrils. Is it gonna make him less cute? Yeah, it's gonna make him less cute. Nobody wants to see where the boogers come from. It's our cute lion. He's so cute. Okay. There he is. And all of his cuteness. And then let's give him somewhere to stand. So let's make some grass. So it's just like a tall spike. Kind of like lightning, or if you're like drawing one of those heartbeat monitor things. Just grass. And then let's put, I'm gonna put a sun back here. Like the sun is behind his head. Wow, that's not a very good circle. It's more like an oval. I'm trying. Okay. Drawing sideways is hard. Sun. Okay. How come yours came out all perfect the first try? Overachiever over here. My 9-year-old overachieving child. Gonna round off my toes some more.
I draw suns a lot.
Likely story. So I'm gonna round off my toes. I don't know. Should we put like...
Like his belly? Belly.
I don't know. Do we want him to have a white belly?
A belly.
A belly?
A belly.
A belly?
A belly.
I don't think they have white bellies, but that's okay.
It's like orange.
Our lion has a light colored belly. There. It's a light colored belly. Ooh. Ta-da! 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 Ta-da!